So previously in the last vlog, I was taking my mom's hair down and spending time with family, and my cousin and his lady came by to visit. They decided to take me on a ride to see my mom's house that she grew up in. So we're taking the ride because my family has a big estate. It's lots of land. So we took the back roads to the old house. Now this house was an old house when my mom was a little girl. And this was her grandmother's house. And my mom is in her 70s. So we're pulling up to the house, and this is the house. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm getting a little emotional as we're approaching the house because it's so old, y'all. It was my mom's grandmom's house. She said you can stand right there. You can actually. She said that there was a fireplace in every room. Wait, I think they said 4 fireplaces. They said it got these 4 fireplaces here. That's crazy. Well, yeah, that would make sense because you know how it was back in the day. So, did they have bathrooms in here? Or they had an outhouse probably. Yeah, I think because my mama said they went to the outhouse. I cannot believe we are so removed from a generation that used the damn outhouse.
I know, right?
Because who getting in the middle of the night and got to pee with the bells and the
That's
the
when
snake.
they come out and they put their robe on and their slippers and the little lit candle and they walk.
Yo, what's that back there? What's that back there?
So your mom said that there's a stream that runs back here?
Yeah.
Wait, I see something. Is that like another house? I feel like I'm back in time. Oh my God, y'all. This is crazy. So I guess this was the back porch. Because what is this door? It's a door and this. So
That's what I was thinking too. It's probably a porch
or something. Obviously not a laundry room, but you know what I mean, like a sunroom. Maybe it was a whole nother bedroom. You think it was a whole nother bedroom?
It has been too damn.
That you see how it has all these,
It's split right here.
all this cement, all the blocks that are just like holding it up.
Yeah.
That shit to me is crazy. It's not like it's a slab.
It's so crazy is these kind of houses was built by just you and your cousins. It wasn't even no big major construction company.
So for this to have been done the way that it was and for it to still be standing, man, they did.
So even in this demolished state, it had me pretty emotional to see my mom. So back to doing her hair, I took the braids out, washed it, braided it down, and started to add in this curly hair. So I started in the back and made my way up to the top. As you can see, the curls are looking pretty good. She didn't like too much length and too much hair on her neck. We wanted a kind of a side part-ish type of do. I decided to close up the side with crochet and we were done. This is going to be a carefree hairstyle for her. I'm supposed to brush it out and wet it down, but I'm going to do that later. She kind of really wasn't wanting me to fool with it. She's ready to go lay down. But anyway, this is the finished look. She loved it. It looked good, but she wanted to kind of run around and do some errands, so we were headed to Depot. She wanted to take a light bulb back. Well, she wanted to take a light bulb to find to replace. So anyway, we're on our journey. Y'all know my mom had knee surgery, so she is riding her motorcycle. Is that full? And as we're riding in there, she's realizing that. Does that really indicate that? I don't think so. That's just drawing.
Are you gonna take that?
Yeah, is yours full?
Yeah, I think it is.
It's not
I
good.
haven't used it very much.
Oh, okay. What does the indicator light? Does that say that green says it's full?
Yeah.
Okay.
It goes pretty good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That's what we're looking for. I look, it would be like the ones down there on the bottom, but I don't see it.
You have to order this. You want me to tell you where to order this?
Where?
Amazon.
I told her we have to get it from Amazon.
You already told Mama that?
Yeah.
Mama, Amazon.
Oh, okay.
And it probably, if you order, they find it online here, it's gonna cost you arm and leg. Everybody been coming in here with different type of light bulbs. I sent them to Amazon and they're cheaper.
So all the special light bulbs gotta go to Amazon.
Mm-hmm.
What you looking for now?
I'm just looking for the light and I want it bigger. So it's like,
So y'all, we are in Home Depot. Y'all know my mom had knee surgery not too long ago, so she is really taking advantage of riding this buggy. She's using the bathroom, and yes, it's the same dress I had on yesterday. I put it back on. I had on something else, but this was better because the sleeves were long, and it's nice out today, but it's a little cool today. Also, my little lace is lifting, so mind your business. So anyway, we came in here looking for this special light bulb. They told us to go on Amazon. So, all right, those are the chronicles today of me and my mom riding this dang on buggy.
you making fun of me.
So after adventures at Home Depot, my mama wanted to get Chipotle. She been on this Chipotle kick lately. Anyway, she gets the works. I not so much. Like, I think I have a sofritas bowl, which only has sofritas, which is a soy-based meat. It's a meatless option. And I do lettuce, and that might be it. Because I didn't do any cheese. I didn't do any. I usually do the plain corn or the plain tomatoes, and lately Chipotle hasn't been offering that. So I think it's literally just sofritas, lettuce, and something else. Oh, and I use this dressing. It's a lime I'm putting on there now, but there's this dressing, if y'all don't know about it, this vinaigrette, it's like a sweet vinaigrette, and it just is like super bomb on the bowls. And I gotta get the tortilla chips. That's like a non-negotiable. And I almost didn't want to share with my mom because she said she didn't want none. But anyway, she had the carnitas bowl, which is the steak. She had everything. I had beans. There you go. And brown rice. And my mom had the works. So after that, we are heading out. So that Chipotle was pretty good. Y'all, I ain't gonna hold you. This Chipotle is new, so that's a bonus for me. And they had a 95. I prefer 100, but I'll take it. Anyway, we're heading out. Look at me and my mama. Look at me and my pretty girl. So this is the hair, y'all. This is the hair that I bought for me to put in and install it. But before I install it, I have to clean it. So I took my mom's Halloween basket and I put the hair and I soaked it for about 4 hours. I like to let it soak overnight. Say hey to my mom's cat, y'all. That's Amber. Anyway, I'm wearing the hair. Only half of it's in, but I wanted to go to the store. I needed a ride. I was tired from doing my hair all day. So I just decided to take a little ride to the local gas station. In this small town, the gas station doubles as a grocery store, which doubles as a local hangout spot. It's a really small town I'm in, but I just wanted to take a little ride, clear my brain, and give me some fruit. That was the main thing. I really wanted some fruit. I had been eating heavy food all week, and I wanted some fresh fruit. And my mom had fruit, but I wanted something different. I think I really just want to get out of the house. But now I'm back in the house. The store is called Gas and Go, y'all. So this is the fruit I got. I got some grapes, and I got some plums, which those were really good. And I got some lime. But yeah, like I think just for those 5 pieces of fruit, it cost me like what does that say? $9.71. $10 for 16 grapes, 2 plums, and a lime. And look at the grapes don't look right. It's giving mold. I don't know. But anyway, I'm back in the car, going back to the store, back to Gas and Go. So anyway, y'all, I'm back home, and before I leave, because I'm leaving out today, I've been with my mom all week, y'all. It was an amazing visit. But before I leave, I want to make sure I activated her curls. So I just wet it down with some peppermint oil and water so it can smell nice and feel good. And yeah, you know, wetting it down and brushing it activates the curls. And I think it's so cute. Look how cute that is. Oh, she likes it. But she's over. She's like, girl, whatever. Anyway, look at me. Look at 17-year-old Sparkle. These are my senior photos, y'all. And this is also my senior year. I was a captain of the dance line. My hair was a little questionable, separating in the back. I did it myself, obviously. What color lip is that? Ew. Okay, honey, I did my hair here too. This is 15-year-old Sparkle. This is my sophomore year. I was in the band playing the flute. My hair was cute.
Thank you, God, for Sparkle. Lord, I thank you. Thank you for my life.
Yeah, I'm just trying to be as helpful as I can before I leave, because she's gonna be missing me and she's gonna be calling me.
You know how to fold clothes. Where'd she learn that from? Huh?
So I'm almost home, y'all, and I ain't gonna lie, I'm dreading going home because I got the big cleanup project to do. My content room upstairs is a wreck. Boom, here's the wreck. This is the wreck, y'all. I'm a little bit ashamed to show y'all this, but this is gonna be like my depression clean, because I have been living with all of this clutter all over the place since before I lost my grandmama, and I just haven't taken the time to order it. But before I get started, first coffee. Hello? On the way home, I got distracted. There was a yard sale, and this lady was selling this cute little trailer for like $4,000. Y'all, look at this trailer. This is so cute. So I'm thinking, do I need a new place to store things? This was so cute though. I was like, this can be my ladies' den, my she shed. You can make it, climate controlled. There's a little bar in here. There's a picnic basket. This is cute little peel and stick tile that's on the wall. Look at the bar. This is so cute. These pink little pillows. But yeah, like there's a light switch. I just thought this was so cute. I really just wanted to kind of show y'all, to show y'all how cute and dainty and girly it was. But anyway, y'all, I'm almost to the house to face the music, clean up this big mess, and I'll show y'all the end result.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice.